How to log into Shein account. Let's get started. You can easily log into your Shein account using the web version, or also you can use the app. For this video, I'm going to use the app. You can head towards the Play Store or App Store, search for the app Shein and download it. Once completion of download process, launch the app. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now here you're going to see the option of Shein. Click on it. Now you have to provide your Shein account's credentials to log into your account. If you have created your account using these options, Google, Facebook, Apple, you can just click on it and with that you will be logged into your account. But for now, I'm going to directly enter my email address. After you type in your email address, click on Continue. Now type in your password. In the case you have forgotten your password, click on this option, Forget your password to recover it. Once you fill this, click on Sign in and just with that you will be logged into your account. Well, this way you can easily log into your Shein account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.